This is the Bosch spray gun. It's the PFS 3000. It's a 220 volt, 650 watt electric spray gun that operates via a blower and not a compressor. This is the medium-sized unit of the Bosch spray gun range, and it's ideal for projects like walls, furniture and ceilings. It has a 2-meter hose from the gun to the blower, and the flow rates are controlled via the slide selector switch on the front of the blower. Now this is designed to suit the project application. It has a 1-litre container with an SDS locking system which allows for fast refilling and easy cleaning. These containers have been designed with a sloping base to ensure a constant paint feed as the gun is tilted. It has an adjustable paint nozzle to spray vertically, horizontally or a circular spray. You can control the paint quantity and airflow via the adjustable dials on the back of the gun. The main blower unit is designed to hang from the shoulder strap as you work on your project, allowing you to be flexible and easily maneuver into those difficult places to paint. This spray gun has a paint application of 2 square meters per minute and a delivery volume of up to 300 milliliters per minute. The spray gun comes with 2 nozzles, one to suit lacquer and glazes and the other to suit wall paints. The reason being is to accommodate different viscosities with this spray gun. Spray guns apply paint quicker and it gets into all those hard to reach places, making it also suitable for rough textures. At the end of the day, this spray gun makes your painting activity effortless, more productive and saves you time and money for the job at hand. If you enjoyed this clip and found it useful, like it, share it. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel.